Want to ace your PSLE English?
Che, me and my friend Abeng saw your TikTok video. So funny. You mean my friend Abeng and I saw your TikTok video? Huh? You also know my friend Abeng, meh? No, I don't know your friend Abeng. I was correcting your grammar. Remember, when referring to yourself and someone else as the subject of a sentence, it should be my friend and I, not me and my friend. I is a subject pronoun. It does the action in a sentence, whereas me is an object pronoun which receives the action. Oh, okay. I get it. So if I am doing the action, I need to use the subject pronoun I. So my friend Abeng and I saw your TikTok video. But then we got distracted and watched so many other TikTok videos that my mom scolded my friend and I. Well, that's wrong again. It should be my mom scolded my friend and me. Huh? But Che, you just said must use my friend and I leh. Remember, when you are the object of a sentence, meaning someone is doing something to you, you should use me instead of I. You can also break it up into two separate sentences. My mother scolded my friend. My mother scolded me. Oh, okay. So if someone is doing something to me, I should be using the object pronoun me. My mom scolded Abeng and me. You've got it. I'm glad you've mastered the use of the pronouns I and me. Do continue watching my TikTok videos and share with all your friends. I can't. My mom confiscated my phone for watching too many TikTok videos.